Hey guys, this is Healthy Hacks. Today we are going to see about the part 2 video of the benefits of drinking alcohol. It contains a lot of information, so stick to the video up to the last and don't skip the video. Every second is important. And here we go. There is no doubt that whiskey is country music favorite drink. Believe it or not, consuming whiskey in the right dosage may have a positive effect on your health and not just a hangover the next morning. Drinking whiskey can help improve memory and slow the onset of dementia. The antioxidants helps to retain information. The antioxidants boost from the whiskey aids in coronary heart disease prevention. The compounds in whiskey absorb into the body easier than the red wine. The ellagic acid and the antioxidants from the whiskey will prevent cancer. Apparently, there was a good reason the doctor prescribed whiskey to get better. More antioxidant than a glass of OJ. The ellagic acid present in the whiskey can control the glucose released from the liver. A healthy diet and exercise should not be traded in for a fifth of whiskey. Can aid in weight loss by curbing appetite. Drinking vodka also helps to weight loss. It helps to increase your metabolism. Vodka can increase the blood flow and circulation in your body, which can prevent clot, strokes, and other heart diseases. Studies prove that vodka can relax the body and calm the brain. Vodka can help to reduce fever from the common cold. Vodka was used to treat side effects of irritable bowel syndrome and related digestive issues. Vodka can soothe toothache, but taking a shot of it can help combat bad breath as well. The sugar contained in the agave plant called agavins help lower blood sugar. Agavins also help people feel fuller and thus eat less, which in turn promote weight loss. The fractans in tequila are known to supply probiotics to your body that boost immune system. Beer can help reduce the bad cholesterol, increase your intake of soluble fibers, has numerous health benefits. The beer can protect the brain cells from oxidative damage associated with dementia. Beer reduces the risk of developing kidney stone. Due to its silicon content, beer may help to build stronger bones. Brandy contains antioxidant compounds and they can promote good heart health. It is because the alcoholic drink contains free radicals fighting powerful organic compounds. Brandy contains ellagic acid, tannins, which contain cancer prevention properties. It will give your immune system a boost. Moderate drinking of rum can possibly extend your lifespan by 2 to 5 years. Moderate consumption can fight and prevent muscle pain. It increases minerals in the body. Consuming rum can relieve to the common cold because of the antibacterial property. The main ingredient in gin are juniper berries and herbs like coriander, cassia, nutmeg, etc. The combo of gin and tonic was invented to prevent malaria. Juniper berries are loaded with compounds that battle chronic inflammation. Gin will keep your body safe of bacterial infections. Juniper berries are loaded with antioxidants that keep your skin healthy. Red wine contains a compound in the skin of grapes that has anti-aging properties. Wine can reduce cancer, colon and breast cancer in particular. Wine prevents blood clot and preventing heart attack and strokes. Drinking 1 glass of wine can improve your memory. It happens to contain fewer calories than both red and white wine. A person's memory can improve after they drink a little champagne. Champagne is good for the heart as a glass of red wine. A glass of cider delivers the same amount of antioxidants as a glass of red wine. Cider is made of apples. It contains no gluten. It is good option for people who have celiac disease. If you like this video, then leave a comment below saying I subscribe and also say that which part do you like the most.